Hello everyone, this is Arjun from Cadgroup with another video on Autodesk Construction Cloud. Today we'll be looking at how Power BI can supercharge your insights within cost management. Whether you're a project manager, financial controller or executive, Power BI enabled reports can help you make data-driven decisions fast. Power BI lets you create custom dashboards and interactive reports, pulling data directly from ACC via the API or data connector tools. You can analyze cost trends and look at key KPI data holistically across your entire hub, drill down into business units or really zoom in on a single project. What we will showcase today is a Power BI report that Cadgroup have created. If I look here on this executive level report, which is across the hub, I have all my projects in this table and I have two visualizations here. Straight away, if I were a manager, I would be looking at my projected costs and my projected budgets. If I look here, I'm expecting to spend 49 million because that's the budget I have, but we've committed 70 million, which is raising alarm bells. If I zoom through here, I've got a lot of small projects, but there's one really big project where I'm going over by $21 million. If I click on demonstration project 4, this table narrows down onto this one project, and I can start zooming through budget codes and trying to understand where things aren't working. As this is the cost side, I really should be looking at the contracts. So I will go to my contract dashboard, and here once again with demonstration project 4, I'm going to go through the contracts and try to find out what's really pushing this over. If I go to my next dashboard, this will really zoom in on the actual individual contracts, and I can see here my site acquisition costs are projected to go way over, which is the $20 million that I'm looking for. If I look at site acquisition, my project manager or the person that's running the financials of the project is saying that we've committed $14 million and awarded the $14 million, but for some reason we need an extra $20 million, which is pushing my final forecasted cost to 34. This could be the project's gone over on time, there's escalation costs somewhere with landowners, and this is why they're projecting the extra $20 million. A report like this can save 4 or 5 phone calls trying to drill down and find out where and why these costs are being incurred and what we can do to mitigate these processes. As every single stroke in cost management is a data point that can be reported, Cadgroup can help you create dashboards like these and really make decisions fast and with confidence. Thank you.